Spring home sellers, listen up. These 3 crucial things will turn your house from just listed to the most wanted home on the market. You might be thinking, my home's already ready to sell. Let's just put it on the market and see what happens. You're gonna miss out on a lot of money if you do that. There are 3 crucial steps that you need to take to get your home top-notch, prepared for the market. So instead of leaving your honey-do list to the new buyer of your home, let's go ahead and knock that out this weekend. You know, all the little things that your wife has been begging you to take care of, but you've just been putting it off. All those little things will add up to a big question mark in a buyer's mind when they walk through your home the very first time when it comes on the market. Number 2, let's also address any big ticket items that we've been putting off as well. HVAC, electrical, roof, all those things are big red flags, especially when your home buyers are gonna get an inspection. They're gonna find it, so let's knock it out before we go on the market. Number 3, there are a lot of little things that you can upgrade without spending a lot of money. For instance, paint, new doorknobs, new fixtures, all those things are very easy to accomplish an updated look without spending a lot of money. Those are what I call high ROI items. You get a great return on investment by doing those things before you go on the market. But before you do all that, call an agent. Have them come to your house, walk room by room, step by step, give you suggestions on things that you should, and more importantly, things that you shouldn't do. We'll help you maximize your return on investment. If you're here in the upstate of South Carolina, I would love to be that agent. Call me, I'll walk you through step by step. We'll make it happen together.